look at the next example. An urn contains 4 white, 3 black, 5 red balls. 3 balls are thrown or drawn one by one. 3 balls are drawn one by one with replacement. What is that? With replacement. Find the probability of getting all the balls white, all the balls of same color, 2 white balls and 1 black ball, all are 4 different colors, and 2 are white balls. So these are the various desired events. So let us consider this urn. Urn means தமிழில் ஜாடின்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல, ஊறுகாய் ஜாடி ஒரு பீங்கான் ஜாடி மாதிரி, இல்லாட்டா மெட்டல் ஜாடி ஜாடின்னு சொல்லுது. அது உள்ள that is we have got various color balls. Okay, so here it is said 4 white balls, 3 black balls, 5 red balls. So only 4 plus 3 plus 5, that is 7 plus 5, we have got 12 balls here. So that number of total balls is 12 only. Okay, so here the number of total balls 12, because 4 white, 3 black, 5 red ball. So the sample space element is sample space. Okay, so here 4 white, is it not? So 4 white balls and 3 black balls and 5 red balls. Okay, so the overall elements is total number of elements 4 plus 3 plus 5, that is 12. Right. Now what is the first one? Find the probability of getting all balls white. So how many balls, white balls are there? There are 4 white balls. Okay, there are 4 white balls. But the problem is we are not taken, we are once again replacing this. That is very, very important. So you have to remember this word, with the replacement. We take one by one, but put it, we replace again. So it means chances are, increasing here. So as you expected, now listen to me, as you expected, it cannot be defined so easily as 4 by 12, as we already have done in the previous exercises. Okay, so maybe the total number of balls 12. So in that case, every time we are replacing, so it means every time we are replacing means what? That is, I am taking one ball, then replace, draw with the replacement. So in that case, now we have to work out these combinations. Okay, therefore probability of 3 balls white, because I have taken one, the remaining is 3, is it not? So in that case I had to work out the remaining one, because I have picked up one. So there are 4 whites, I have taken 1 white, so the remaining is 3 white. So I have to consider the probability of these 3 white, and that is why probability of 3 white into probability of 3 white, probability of white. So it means 4 by 12, 4 by 12, 4 by 12. So multiply and you will get, that is 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 4, 36. Or you can put 4 by 12, that is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, that is 1 by 27. So this is the way you have to do whenever you come across this word with replacement. Remember this. And similarly, probability of, what is the next question? That is, all balls are of same color. All balls of same color means, for instance, that is, I take white, black, and red. So white, black, red. In that case, probability of 3 balls of same color means probability of 3 white or 3 black or 3 red. So it means probability of 3 white plus probability of 3 black plus probability of 3 red. So once again you have to do, that is, probability of white into probability of white into probability of white, that is 3. So you have to multiply 4 by 12 3 times, and similarly probability of black 3 times, and probability of red 3 times. So this is the way you have to approach, and finally you get the result 1 by 8. Do you understand? And similarly, probability, what is the next question? Probability of 2 white balls and 1 black ball means probability of 2 white and 1 ball. It means that is you are taken that is 3, the total space is 3, out of which you are taking 2 and 1. So in that case you have to do that 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 1 factorial into, and you have to do twice probability of white and 1 time the probability of black. So because we have to take all the possible combinations here, and that is why we take this 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 1 factorial. So here 3 of 4 divided by 12, 4 divided by 12, 3 divided by 12, that is equal to, so you can cancel all these things and finally you are able to get 1 by 12. Similarly, probability of balls of different color. So probability of ball of different color means we have got a 3 different color, white, black, red. So every time you have to do, so 3 factorial divided by 1 1 1 each, and each 1 time of probability. So you have to multiply everything and proceed like this. And similarly, probability of taking 2 white balls. So in that case, the probability of taking 2 white balls, remember all is done with the replacement. So the strategy is we have to introduce the combinations of all possibilities. So that is why we introduce the formula of combinations here, and the factorial. So 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial 1 factorial into probability of 2 white means 2 times you have to multiply, and the probability of that is not taking white, so that should also be taken into account here. Okay, so that would be what? So this is 3 into 2 factorial 1 factorial means that is 3 into, and here this is 4 by 12, 4 by 12, and probability of not taking the white means so how many chances? For example, total number of balls is 12, and probability of not taking means remaining apart from 4, so it means 3 plus 5 8, so I have to consider 8 by 12, and that is why I put 8 by 12, so that the final answer is 2 by 9. Okay.